Number 1. 5.5-inch Mini Pocket Folding Saw. This wood saw has two sides with different shaped teeth, triple beveled teeth for cutting hard woods such as oak, ebony and pine, double beveled teeth for cutting soft woods such as white cedar, paulownia, used for cutting wet wood, dry wood, PVC, etc. The handle is made of ebony, which has higher wood strength than other materials and is less prone to cracking. Folding saw with safety latch can prevent accidental injury by the saw teeth.
Number 2. Max Bauer 12-inch bar clamp and 19-inch spreader. 12-inch clamps for woodworking, clamping capacity up to 300 mm, 12 inches, throat depth 55 mm, 2 1/8 inches. Maximum spreading capacity, 500 mm, 19 11/16 inches, reversible jaw from clamps to a spreader. Hardened steel bar, overall length 520 mm, rail size 19 by 6 mm, soft pads protect finer finishes. 12-inch wood clamp suit for light-duty works, woodworking clamps and DIY carpentry. Smooth ratcheting, quick slide adjustment and one-hand ratchet release trigger.
Number 3. Corner clamps, 90-degree right angle clamps. Not only for 90-degree angles, but also for 45-degree saws. For boards with a thickness of different, suitable for fixing 0.2-inch to 0.9-inch board. Saves time and effort with the great angle clamps locator, strong enough but not too tight. Even women can also easily use it as crafting projects and DIY with one hand.
Number 4. Saker Multifunction Foldable Level.
Multifunction foldable level, which can be folded as a rectangle-shaped block for daily storage and a regular straight level ruler for versatile jobs. It is easy to store and the small size makes it a great space saver. It is a nice addition to the traveling toolbox, which you can take to anywhere for different work. It features 4 extremely clear and intuitive blue acrylic files, which obtain preciseness accuracy of 0.5 mm per meter, providing a wonderful and joyful experience for measurement and calibration of indoor and outdoor jobs.
Number 5. Meyer Detail Sander. This sanding machine features a mouse bottom shape that makes it ideal as both pad and corner sander. It supplies 14,000 OPM for quick and efficient sanding on woods or removing rusts from metals. Compact size gets into tight spaces and maximizes user control. The sanding base with Velcro for a quick change of sandpapers. The orbital action provides a virtually swirl-free finish and simple push-on and off switch to start or power the palm sander off. The high-performance dust collection canister ensures less cleanup post-project. When you work the dust into the dust box through the holes on the sanding pad, in addition, the removable dust canister is made transparent, so you can easily know when the wood sander needs to be empty. Compact design makes mouse sander easier to control. The textured rubber is overmolded on the top of the sander for a more comfortable grip in any orientation while reducing vibration and fatigue.
Number 6. Worx Pegasus Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. This multi-function work table and sawhorse with quick clamps and holding pegs can support up to 300 pounds as a table and up to 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. The legs lock into place and are made of tough molded ABS with steel supports, and the non-slip feet stay in place on both grass and pavement. Yet the Pegasus itself is only 25 pounds, so you can fold it up and carry it anywhere, or keep it in the back of the truck. The integrated clamping system exerts up to 300 pounds of force to keep your project firmly in place and has a max clamping width of 18¼ inch. And the clamp dog pegs allow you to secure round and oddly shaped materials. This table is 31 inch by 25 inch and is a standard 32 inch high, so it can be linked up with our other Worx tables and other Pegasuses to make a longer, fully functional work table. And the folding tray at the base is designed to hold tools, power strips, or anything you need on the job.
Number 7. 2-in-1 miter measuring cutting tool. It can measure the miter angle and complete the cutting without using multiple tools and avoid errors when transmitting the correct angle to the saw. 2 mobile arms used to measure angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees can be directly used to measure all angles in the range. Use the integrated saw guide pin. The bottom plate is placed on the provided guide plate, and the back saw is used for sawing to achieve accurate and error-free beveling. Number 8. Magnetic wristband. Meyer magnetic tool wristband is embedded with 15 super strong magnets, come with 2 pockets, plastic parts are placed. It's made of 100% 1680D ballistic polyester, breathable material and lightweight design make this wrist magnetic screw holder perfect for you. The wristband suit for everyone. Number 9. Liberton Woodworking Chisel Set. The wood chisel set includes 4-piece well-made chisel, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, these 4 sizes are perfect for your woodworking.
Number 10. Woodworking Desktop Clip Clamping Elements Bar Clamp Set. Clamping Elements Bar Clamp Set is made of high-quality PA6 and GF30 and stainless steel, which has good wear-proof, stability, and corrosion-proof, so you can use it for a long time. It can strongly fix the board for you, whether it is sawing, drilling, or grinding work, you can work with peace of mind. Whether it's a round or square plate, it will hold it steady for you and is a good assistant for your work. Its handle is designed with ergonomically curved lines to fit your hand more closely and save effort when using it. This adjustable frame woodworking fast clip accessory has a burr-free surface and smooth curves. You just need to mount it on a 20mm and 0.787 inch aperture table and fix the sheet you need to cut or drill or sand. And its locking lever length can be adjusted in the range of 0 to 10.9 centimeters and 4.29 inch, more convenient for you to use. It can clamp 16 to 38 millimeters and 0.63 to 1.5 inch plates, is suitable for a wide range of woodworking, machine repair, DIY projects, etc.